Hello everyone. Like and subscribe to the channel. Today we will learn about vowels and short spell words. Let's learn to spell words with short a. The letter A is the first letter of the alphabet. It's also a vowel. Do you remember what vowels are? The letters A, E, I, O, and U are vowels. A can make a long or a short sound. Whenever you say the letter A out loud like you're saying A, B, C, D, you make a longer sound. Longer sounds like the A in cave. Shorter sounds a little different. Here are words with the shorter sound. At, am, cat, mat, can, map, tap, hat, that. Can you spell them all? Let's learn to spell words with short E. Pet, jet, red, bed, hen, 10, get, leg, let. Can you spell them all? Let's learn to spell words with short I. In, pin, rip, lip, fin, pig, hit, big. Can you spell them all? Let's learn to spell words with short O. Log, dot, top, hot, lot, box, pop, hop. Can you spell them all? Let's learn to spell words with short U. Bug, rug, hug, up, sun, run, mug, cup. Can you spell them all? Hope you all understand. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel.